What's up guys, so for today's video, we are here again visiting Juan Kaisan Fitness Gym to join and celebrate with them their anniversary. So as I open the door and enter in, you can see their fitness gym equipment guys here, and also gym coaches and gym bros. So enjoy watching guys as I share to you the gym environment.
Thank you. Kapal yan, sakay mo lang.
So here I took some pictures in the gym, like some flex and some lifting shots or training shots or workout shots, whatever you call it. And here I met again Coach Bert, who is actually competing now. So here I do some sets of 10 to 30 kg squats. So before this challenge begins, I do some or try their new machines like a doctor machine. The challenge guys is called Plank Challenge Beginner Level. I joined this challenge guys because I want to try and test it out for myself where I'm at in my level of fitness. So based on my knowledge guys, in this plank I stay steady still there even if I know you are not allowed to move here, but the rules and mechanics of this challenge are not too strict, that's why they are all moving and I am moving also, but not a lot. So enjoy watching guys.
Upper up! Eh, andun, taas! Tatlo! Tatlo! Kaya mo yan, andun! Okay, upper up! Up! Naka po! Up! Up! Taas! Taas! Kaya, relax lang. Up! Up! Okay, relax. Sayang t-shirt, uy! Huwag ka papatalo hanggang sa babae! Kaya pa yan! Kaya yan! Kaya yan!
So even if this is a beginner level only, you can see that the players here are not joking.
Ayan, go!
So guys, this is now a 3 minutes mark. I can feel my body getting a little bit sore, especially by doing it in a strict form. So after these few seconds, I decided to get up and stand up and take my loss. Because my goal here guys is not winning but just to participate in such a way to gain experience. So after the challenge, we finally eat arigato gozaimasu. And after that, we're getting ready to start the next challenge. So here is Coach RJ, my childhood friend, so cute. So he's the one who's taking my video in these challenges at this gym that they're working in. So this next challenge guys is called dead hang with 2.5 kg on belt. So in this challenge guys, I can feel my hand and arm shaking because of the first challenge and the pressure. So enjoy watching guys.
Relax lang ha. Nice.
Nice board.
Relax lang, te.
Pre, nakalaki na yan, pre.
So it's already getting closer to 1 minute, but I can feel my hands are sleeping because I felt like my palms are sweating.
Ayan. 5 minutes yan.
So I adjusted my grip,
Relax lang.
but it already slipped. So it's done. I'm third place here in the dang and I'm fourth place in the plank challenge. Not bad at all, randomly participating with no preparations. So that's all for today's video update guys. This is my message to you guys. If you are planning to be a fitness enthusiast, don't be afraid to join or participate in such fitness communities to try what is best for you and what works for you. That's how you learn and grow. So that's all guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to see more of this kind of video. Bye bye. See you.